Hey you guys, welcome back. It's Izzy, Willie Media. Today we got something a little bit different. It's a Ram 1500, you see? 5.7 Hemi, beautiful truck. This was a little something we did, a little customization here. We did it authentic. This truck came bone stock. Nothing was on this car. It came, I'll show you pictures. Ain't nothing, so. First and foremost, everybody always sees this. Beautiful red and black wheels. Take a look at that with the beautiful mud tires, 22 inches. It's all the way around the vehicle. You're gonna see. Beautiful step bars. Kind of hard to figure out the rugged look to get for this truck. We wanted to blend it all in with the colors, LED rear lighting. Beautiful wax job. You see how shiny it sticks out. 4x4. Look at this down here. Beautiful Ram insignia. Yours truly, we painted that all as well. If you look underneath, we undercoated this beautiful bad boy. All coated. Now you don't get a lot of these options on these vehicles. You get it bone stock, but we decided to go up and over for them. So now you see this hard top installed by us as well. He didn't want the usual plastic leather. This is hard top 3-piece, folds up nicely. It's a beautiful sleek truck. Everybody loves this truck. It's a 1500, very powerful towing capacity. Now come on to the front. Come on to the front. We did more. There's a lot more going on here. Wow, look at that front end. Did not come like this. We did these lightings, front grille, the lighting in here as well. Now you see the light bar, bumper light bar down bottom. Excellent lighting for night. Now you notice the headlights as well. All aftermarket, beautiful LED. All the way around. Everything here is done LED. Now you look up top on the cab. That doesn't come like that. We had to put holes in the top, silicone seal. It's a beautiful truck. And we're not done yet. We're not done. There's a lot more to go. Now to add a little bit more fashion to this, look at that beautiful antenna. Tiny, you know, it takes away the old look, gives it the new appeal. Something everyone's gonna love here. So now, it's pretty clean. It's pretty bone stock so far. We haven't got into the seating, but now, step in here. Let me go on the passenger side. Beautiful, beautiful option done by us. Brand new style Tesla radio. No other Ram, I tell you, around this area has this. This is all updated, new. Now look at this beautiful lighting in here. Cup holders. You get the Dodge insignia, they light up. So like, we didn't go too crazy in interior yet, but we're gonna get there. It's gonna get there. What's up? We in the inside now. We're gonna show you everything we did in the inside so far. It gets better, but it's a little bit of more that my buddy here, Chunky, is excellent. He's the electrician. Hey! Take over. All right, you wanna see how this looks. Hey guys, welcome back to Willie Media, authentic. Got the logo. There we go. This goes to radio. Radio side. Now we come down here, we hit the home button. Off of your phone, you got navigation, which your phone has to be connected, as you see. Now we go back. You got your backup camera. Pretty soon the bird's eye view, which is a 360 picture of the truck, is
right there already. Now you'll see all the way around the truck, but it's not connected yet. You see the backup camera, active lines with it. When you turn the steering wheel, from here you could go to music. Once your phone is connected, it gives you how many doors is open on the screen also. Now it has phone link. You'll be able to hook up, connect your phone into it. You have YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, whatever you want in there. And here, videos, you could download videos into a thumb drive. You'll see videos also, but it's all got to be connected to your phone. Also on this truck we have alarm remote starter, and at the same time you'll come over here with your phone. It's not my watch, so I'm not used to it. Let's look for this one. Here's a picture of the truck. You take your iWatch, you hit the start button, you hit the lock button, you hit the unlock button, and as you see, keys over here. Lock the doors. Edit that. All right, here's the alarm remote starter combo, Prestige. So here's the key. You go with your iWatch. You hit lock, and the car locks. You hit unlock, it will unlock. You hit start. Fat finger syndrome. There we go. Gotta give it some time. It's far from here to the satellites, and from the satellite down here, very long time. There goes your car. It's on through your iWatch. No keys, no nothing right here. And then nice picture of the car too. You have your air conditioner in the summertime, and you got your heater in the wintertime. All through your iWatch. You could do it through your phone also, but it's more convenient through here. One other thing, you want to track. You got your son, you got your daughter. You ask them where they at. Your iWatch will tell you where it is. Once again, it's not my iWatch. Now we're gonna go outside so we can see the lights turned on.
Take that beautiful view, guys.
Imagine I like that.
Now to make all these lights happen, look how nice is this. Now you come in here, look at that. Well hidden switches, you can turn it on and off. You can't even tell they're there. Beautiful. Now, off to the road ride. Let's go, fellas. Oh, you know what's so awesome about this? No more stick shifting button. Electronic. Nice. Now we gotta wait till these guys get out of the way. We don't want an accident. Explosions. Beautiful handling. It has the rims on it. It took no effect on the truck whatsoever. It handles these rims nicely. Like I said, it got awesome towing capacity. So, like, you tap the gas and this truck goes, a 5.7 Hemi. By the way, it's 16 spark plugs for this beautiful gem. Fast response. Hear that? Nice truck. I wouldn't take it mudding. I'll show off with it. Looks really nice. Taking a cruise around the town. Like, steering on this is immaculate and amazing. The rims handle very nicely. The power behind this engine is awesome. Now we're gonna get to the interior where we redo the whole interior, make it look nice. Well, we just, you know, taking a step at a time. Having these rims on here, every pothole, bump, anything you hit, it's like driving a Cadillac. It feels amazing. And we're not even done with the lift kit yet. The lift kit is coming. We're gonna raise it 6 inches. Watch how that's gonna look. You guys, please stay tuned to our channel. We're gonna have a little bit, you know, repairs, a lot more previews. You guys stay tuned to these cars. Like, share, subscribe. Let your mama know, let your grandma know, let your cousins, aunties, everyone know. Authentic. Please, please like, share, subscribe once again. I'm gonna keep telling you guys that till you got. So we got like 70,000 subscribers.